What is up, my friends? Welcome back to another video, testing out another cleaning hack for you, trying to find the treasure. Today it is Squirt shaving cream on your broom, and this will happen. Take our broom and our shaving cream. Right like that. Now you might be asking, Tommy, what in the world are we putting shaving cream on the broom for? I'm going to show you. We're going to clean our bathtub with it. So we spread our shaving cream all over our bathtub with our broom. This makes it a lot easier on our back, so we're not killing our back bending over. So we're going to spread this shaving cream all over the bathtub. Right like that. This is what we're supposed to do anyways. This is how it's supposed to work. We're going to let this sit for a couple minutes, and then we're going to come back with our broom. We're going to scrub, and we're going to find out if it comes clean. You can already see how dirty. Look at that water, or the shaving cream water mix. It's already kind of brownish. So it might actually work. So let's let that sit for a couple minutes. See, look at the dirtiness of the liquid right there. I gotta be honest with y'all, I came into this expecting this to be a complete waste of time. Let's see. Let's just scrub it for a minute. Well, it's a lot better than bending over, I'll tell you that much. Let's rinse that out and see what our tub looks like. Rinse. Obviously, this is even better if you have a sprayer on your shower, and then you can just stand up and spray. Let's do our analysis now. I'm going to get in this tub. I'm going to feel here. Yep. Still got a little crud right there. And that feels a little oily. So, spread shaving cream on your broom to clean your bathtub. Definitely does not work. This is complete fake news. So, on a scale of do not try, indifferent, or a yay yay, I'm going to have to give this cleaning hack a do not try, don't waste your time. This is what I call extreme fake news. I think the reason we saw the dirtiness in the liquid was just because the broom, I used the broom to clean my floors. The broom was just dirty, that's why there was dirtiness right there. Not because it was getting crud out of the bathtub. Now, I do like the idea of using a broom to clean your bathtub if you have a bad back. But what I would do is I would just spray an actual bathtub cleaner. I would spray your bathtub cleaner in your bathtub, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then scrub with your broom and you would be fine. But as far as shaving cream is concerned, forget about it.